Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'll take a look at the dollar versus yen. It's been trading. It's been running to the upside all week so far. And today we moved above some key technical targets and moved up to another key technical target area. So let's talk about that. Let's talk about what's ahead in this video. Looking at the dollar versus yen, this is the week's price action. This is a 4-hour chart, by the way. So each of these bars represents a 4-hour time period. And it's been up all week long. Now, in the process, the price moved above this level right through here. This level represents the blue line, the 100-day moving average, and also the 61.8% retracement of the move down from this high right through here. This is the November high to the December low right through here, 61.8%, and the 100-day moving average comes in 147.45. And the price moved above that, stayed above that level, and continued its run to the upside in trading here today. That move to the upside has now moved to a swing area going back in time to the month of, well, all the way back to September, I guess. And that was defined by different swing lows and swing highs through here first. And then got a little messy here, but reestablished support before moving to the upside. Came back down to this area, traded above and below it before rotating to the downside, and then rotated up to this level before moving above and moving higher through here. And as you can see, we traded above and below this area through here before rotating to the downside. It hasn't been since this point right here, but in November, that the price has been back to that level, and we've now returned to that level. And we're finding some sellers, as you can see, we are below the low of that swing area at 148.49 or 44, and the high of this swing area comes in at 148.59. So with the price currently trading at 148.32, we are finding some selling pressure. It's modest. We'll take a look at that closely in the 5-minute chart. But the point is that we did find this swing area target, and we are seeing some sellers against that level. Now, I promise we take a look at the 5-minute chart, because in a trending market, you like to see the 5-minute chart sort of guide the way to the upside. More specifically, we want to see the 100 and 200 bar moving averages guide the way to the upside. And this is Monday's trade. We saw the price move higher, and then we moved sideways going into Tuesday. And the price did move below both the 100 and 200 bar moving averages here, but then reestablished support against the 100 bar moving average, went a little bit below it through here, but did find early buyers against the 200. So the trend remained, it's more to the upside. We've support again, moved below it, but found support against the 200 and moved higher. Again, a little bit below the 100, but moved higher. So what this chart is telling us is that if the price were to go lower, we need to get back below both the 100 and 200 bar moving averages here at 147.94 and moving higher, and 147.72 and moving higher. Absent that, and what do? We're just stepping higher. Now, we do know that this high that we had today moved into that resistance area, so there is that hope that the price does rotate to the downside, but there's still a long ways of about 30, 40 pips before we get to the 100 bar moving average. But that moving average is moving higher, so it will become an easier hurdle as time goes by, as each 5-minute bar goes by. So be aware of that. But if you're long this dollar versus yen and riding the trend, ride it until the price starts to move back below the 100 and 200 hour moving averages and starts to give up the ghost. Alternatively, you can sell against this swing area on the hourly chart, but if there were the price or the 4-hour chart, but if the price were to go above the 148.59, I wouldn't mess around with it. Trends are fast directional, tend to go further than you expect, and that's what we're seeing in the dollar yen trading this week. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune through trading. Bye-bye now.